Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, open the pin numpad, okay, and here enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and your IMEI numbers and also a serial number will be displayed. Also, you can check these numbers by going to settings, then to the about phone section, and here you can find your in model. You can find your serial number, and here you have IMEI slot 1 and also IMEI slot 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.